All right, you know what time it is. That's right. It's day 15 of our 30-day challenge. The halfway point. You made it. You did it. If you're staying with me, I know it's tough right now. I know you're tired. I know you're sore. And I know it's super windy. But hang in there. It's not always cloudy. The sun is shining. It's a good day to have a great day. So we're gonna continue on this walk. Got me and Buddy Love here. And we're getting some vitamin D, some sunshine, some exercise. Breathing in deep through our nose. Exhaling out longer, slowing down that central nervous system. Because even when you push things to the line or you get your heart rate up, just know that you have the tools to calm down through your deep breathing techniques, through your pranayama, and your knowledge that you're gaining here on this channel. So if you ever have questions or you ever need someone to talk or listen to, or not listen to, but have someone listen to you, you can always fill out or click on the link and request a quick call, and we can see if we're a good fit, a good match, and we can go from there, you know. So I'm on your side. I'm here for you. Take advantage of my knowledge, the years I've lived on this earth, the actual firsthand experiences that I'm sharing here, which all turned into beautiful lessons. Sometimes it doesn't feel beautiful when you're going through them. Definitely Halloween around here, but that's okay, because if you give yourself that time and that perspective, enter the trail, maybe a little bit different than you're used to, or more challenging, and you will benefit from the rewards of that. Come on, buddy. So we're gonna cruise on this walk, get back to jogging a little bit. We just ran through that neighborhood. Stop real quick to take this video. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope your challenge is going well. Hope you're getting out for at least 30 minutes every single day outside, doing some exercise, getting your heart rate up like I am now, and just enjoying those happiness vibes, enjoying being outside with who you truly are. And sometimes you gotta just get out of your environment, get out of your situation, go somewhere by yourself or with your dog, and just allow yourself to clear your thoughts, clear the thoughts in your mind. Give yourself time to gain that perspective that you've learned, because you are learning. You're always learning. The universe is always teaching us lessons. It's just if we want to grasp them or not. We want to take the time to digest them, to process them, because some things are for our benefit. But when you're going through it, I know it doesn't feel like it, you know, going through heartbreak. Trust me, I know that. Went through a big heartbreak this year, and you know, but I'm here today, challenging myself, bettering myself with focus and drive, making these videos for you, trying to share these lessons to you. And you know, I always think if I could help one person, then I've already reached enough, you know, because changing a life in this life makes a huge difference. And that's part of your karma, part of giving back, and part of just being a good human being. That bodhisattva knowledge. When you take this awakening, I guess you could say, or you take this road that maybe not everyone's following, you're gonna find yourself in lonely times. You're gonna find yourself being by yourself more, because it takes being by yourself to really process it, so you can actually hear what thoughts your brain really is sending to you and what signals are being sent to you. Because sometimes with all the noise, and there's a lot of noise in this world right now, I think it's hard to get away. It's hard to process things, especially if you're busy, you got a family, you're on the road all the time. It's hard just to collect your thoughts. That's why meditation is so important. That's why I do a 30-day meditation challenge. I like that quiet time. And really the answers come during then. And so, just for you to filter out what's real and what's not. Because not everything is real. You know, we're in our head a lot. Everybody is. You don't really feel things, you perceive things. It's your perception of that event and your experience with it. That's why it's so important to have firsthand real world experiences, because so many times I'm in conversation with people, I'm not judging or anything, but where a lot of the conversation is just like, oh yeah, my friend did this, or I heard about this, or that's what they say. And you know, the thing is that, and we all do it, but to have that firsthand experience and your body actually gets to electrically charge with that experience, gets to bond with that experience. And then if you give yourself time to really process it and gain the lessons from it, getting a little cloudy here, a little dark, then you will reap the benefits. The rewards will be yours into your new version of yourself. Which, even though sometimes it might feel like we're starting over, we're not. We're starting from experience, because now we have more experience than that last version. If you allow yourself just to let go. Just let go. Let go of who you think you're supposed to be. That's in the Vedic teachings, you know, about letting go of the self, the Atman. Let go of the self. That way, it frees you to become anything that you want to become. And the only person that will be judging you now is yourself, which can be the harshest critic. For a lot of us, it's what keeps us in our place, because it's fear-driven. And as long as you acknowledge that and you understand that, then you can begin to take a step forward and keep moving. And you don't have to figure everything else out right now. It's okay not to know everything, but take the experience of your life and apply it, and wonderful things will happen. Wonderful things will come out of your life just from that one major shift in perspective, shift in energy. And that's it, man. You just change the world. You change your world. Just like that. One slight shift. Change the angle you're walking. Instead of walking this way, maybe just walk this way. Whoa, the world looks a little bit different now. And it could change everything, including being sad or depressed. And if you're happy, I'm happy. And I hope you're happy. I wish blessings on your life. I truly do. I wish you everything that you dream of, just to make sure that you're following through with those dreams with actions. Even if they seem small and they seem insignificant, trust me, brick by brick, that's how we do it here. Brick by brick. Step by step. It's how you build your foundation to your temple, which is yourself. And we're going to finish this walk, so I just want you to have a wonderful, wonderful week. Congratulations. Day 15, you did it. We're at the midway point. It's all downhill from here, baby. Let's do it.